Hey guys, Mary with Saving is Essential. Just wanted to bring you guys a scenario from CVS this week. I plan on showing you guys these a lot more often just to give you an idea of how you can save money by figuring out your own scenarios and not necessarily always going by what's on sale in the paper. So let's go ahead and get started. The total for this transaction was $52.05, and I ended up spending after coupons $21.68. And let me quickly go over how I did that. Okay, so again, it's really important that you guys download the CVS app and add on a weekly basis. I think they come out, Sundays, and there are CVS coupons, there are manufacturers coupons. You guys just need to go on there and add them, whichever ones you want to do. Also, make sure your email account you have attached to your CVS card, and around Wednesdays and Thursdays they send out coupons. Last week I got, let's see, a 25% off of household products via email, and I'm going to quickly go over all of the other coupons that I use. So the coupons that apply with the game, there was one for $1 off, and I did pick up two of those. On my last visit, I got $6 off of 30, so I used that and I made sure I hit 30 or went over that $30 mark. There was a 3 off 10, and that was for the Vino. The Palmolive, there was 25 cents off of that. There was $6 in extra care bucks that applied, and another $5 extra care buck that I used. And all of those, after everything was taken off, it ended up being $21.68. Of course, you don't have to do the same scenario that I did. Just go through your coupons and see what you need and what works for you. My family needed household products and, the lotion, the Shea Moisture. And I didn't have a brand specific coupon for the Shea Moisture, guys, but of course I had extra care bucks that helped to bring down the cost. So don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to like, and I will see you guys in the next video.